Good morning. You're welcome to Animal Science Farm. First of all, my name is Okereke Adendo Collins from the Department of Animal Science, Faculty of Agriculture, University of Nigeria, Nsukka. This is Animal Science Farm. If you look at the environment, you see so many units, cattle, many other units and thereabout, micro livestock, piggery and all that. But this is poultry unit where you are, so you're welcome. This is where we do some certain things. Let me take you inside and show you how we do some certain things here. As we go, first of all, when you come in the morning, this is our food dip. If you come in the morning, you remove the old content of it, then introduce a new one before you go inside. Before you go in, you have to step inside it to disinfect yourself, your legs particularly, before you proceed into the main pens where the beds are. Now when you come into this place, as you can see, these are beds lined up this way, lined up the other way. In here we have about 1,261 beds. 1,261 beds, like I said earlier. So in order not to make a mistake of losing these beds, you have to disinfect yourself, like I showed you while I was coming in. Now these are the drinkers. Some of them have been placed inside the pens. But before that, when you come in the morning, you check around from pen to pen to check if there is any dead bed. If there is any dead bed, you remove it before proceeding to other things. But if there is none, you now continue with other things you want to do. But first of all, you give them water in the morning, because if the water is finished before you entered, you give them water so that they will not die off out of too much or thirst or something or anything of that nature. But you have to give them water first of all. When you give them water, you then give them feed. Like now we have given them water, we've also given them feed. Let me tell you the type of birds we have. These are, of course, many people may know, these are called pullets. These are laying birds, they lay eggs. And currently they are 20 weeks old. So we are expecting them to drop very, very soon. But we are still feeding them with grower mesh. If you look at that place, you will see a number of bags of feeds, which we feed them with. But after this period, when we must have seen that they have started dropping eggs, we will now start feeding them with layer mesh. But for now, until they start dropping, they will keep on eating that feed until we see their eggs. Like I said earlier, they are 20 weeks old and they are layer beds. We have given them drugs, we've given them feed, and particularly every day for this number of beds here, we give them 300 liters of water in the morning. Now if they finish it, we may then give them another one. That is how it works here. Remember, we started this thing from their day old, when they were still very young. The day they were hatched, we brought them in and brooded them. Though this is not where we brooded them. We brooded them somewhere and brought them in here. In a short while, we may move them to battery cage, if need be. But if not, they will keep on laying egg here and we'll keep on picking up their eggs. We're expecting them to stop dropping their eggs very, very soon. So thank you. If there are other things you need to know, we'll still let you know later. Call on to us. Thank you very much.